Milling your own grain can change your life. It gives you access to minerals, vitamins, and nutrients you just won't get from store-bought bread. It allows you to save money and your health by making your own fresh and delicious breads and all kinds of baked goods. It gives you the freedom to eat healthier. It gives you freedom and sustainability. It also gives you those memories making homemade and nutrient-rich foods for your family that money just can't buy. Try milling your own grains and see the difference for yourself.